Hey Daly City Rec at Home, welcome back to another Rec and Reading. I'm Zetz and we're doing our cooking project for today's book, The Good Luck Bear by Greg Foley. For today's special food crafts, we are going to be making some Good Luck Shamrock Shake. Here's what you need. Cup and straws. I'm using non-alcoholic Irish cream, but you can use any kind of coffee creamer that's a sweet cream or a vanilla cream or any kind you want. Just kind of some flavor there. I'm using vanilla ice cream. We have, of course, the lucky part, Lucky Charms. I have the cookie cereal and the marshmallows, and then I pulled out some of the marshmallows for decoration, some gold and silver decorations, some cookies for the top, and some gummy snakes. Then we will also be needing some mallow on the inside and some caramel for some drizzles on the side. Oh, of course, we're gonna be making a very special rainbow Cool Whip topping. So, y'all ready? Let's make a mess. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making our rainbow Cool Whip. I got our 6 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Then I'm gonna use some barbecue sticks, give it a little swirl, trying to keep it in just that general area. Okay, just a little swirl. Okay, starting with the red, I have a piping bag, a plastic piping bag, already cut with a star tip in. I'm gonna use a long spatula, just come in and grab some of the red. I'm gonna paint the side with it. Then I'm gonna switch over to the next color, the orange. I'm gonna swoop in, pull it out, red, orange. Then using whatever colors you have left, fill the bag, and it's okay if they mix, because the color will just keep bleeding through. And it's pretty. You can also do this with the same way with frosting. There we go. And gently fold up the top, twist, and that's it. I'll show you how it comes out later. Set it aside. Now, let's make our milkshake. Start by getting your glasses ready, one for me and one for my friend. And I'm gonna drizzle some ooey, gooey caramel on the inside. At the end of the rainbow, there's gonna be some golden deliciousness. I'm gonna put a little drop in the bottom. Now let's make our milkshake. Start with a good spoonful of marshmallow fluff. If your marshmallow fluff is a little tough, you can put it in some water, hot water, and let it go in. Oh no! Then 2 scoops of house cream. Maybe a little more than 2 scoops. And about 1.5 cups of our coffee creamer. You can add more or less, depending on how thick you like it. The Lucky Charms. Now, once you got it blended a little bit, come back with your green food coloring. Add some in. Got all the cookie chunks in there from the cereal part. Got some of the marshmallow, some of the marshmallow fluff. And fill your glass about 3/4 of the way to the top, because you need room for the what? That's right, you need room for the whip topping. Oh my God, this smells so good. Then, with our cool little piping bag in hand, I'm gonna go ahead, start. See all the rainbow come out? I'm gonna add some snakes, if you know the story of St. Patrick. Then I'm gonna add a shamrock cookie, a shortbread cookie, some gold sprinkles and silver. And of course, some more Lucky Charm marshmallows. Use all the marshmallows. Nobody could tell you how many to put in. A straw. and a friend to share it with. Here you go. All right, everybody. Oh my God, I just got a marshmallow. Oh, that tastes so good. Okay, everybody, that's it for now. Make sure to stay safe and have fun. Oh wait, I forgot. If you're watching this and it's St. Patrick's Day, you need to come back and hear the full story. In a couple days, the Rec and Reading will be reading Good Luck Bear in its entirety with our friends from the library. And we'll have a craft too from our friend Cherry. So that's it for now. Bye-bye.